I hope leaders know. One is to listen. If you're going to lead people, that means you need to listen more than you speak, ask questions more than you answer, and recognize that people often come with the answers. And as a leader, what you need to do is help cultivate that and pull that out of them. The second is to empower and equip people. The leader is not about getting all the credit. The leader is about feeling and knowing that you've done well for the people who are doing the work on the ground today. Not just the credit, but the affirmation and the sense that they are really fulfilling God's purpose in their lives. And then the third thing is to be fearless and to help people be fearless. And I don't mean stupid. I think that there are ways that fear is a good and appropriate response. But what I mean is to not fear structures, so-called powers, where people in structures think that they have power when they really don't, and not fear doing the new, interesting, creative thing that might completely dismantle what used to be, because that's the best opportunity for growth. One of the things I always say is that Jesus busted through human history, came in a package nobody expected, did everything no one expected, and saved the world, and continues to save the world in ways that no one expects. Those are the things I think leaders ought to know.